The food industry is seeing a boom with new technologies that promise to completely change the way food is produced, helps food manufacturers increase productivity, improve product quality, and meet the increasing demands of consumers. The Veripack VKX70 thermoforming vacuum packaging machine operates on the principle of using high temperatures to heat and press preform plastic films, forming airtight cheese bags. This process helps remove oxygen from the cheese bag, preventing the growth of bacteria and mold, helping to preserve fresh products for a long time. On a modern production line, the dumpling production machines operate non-stop. The crust is placed on the mold, the filling is inserted, then the machine skillfully folds the edges. Forming lovely white dumplings. The machine is capable of producing 1-ton wrappers with uniform thickness, size, and shape, ensuring high product quality and outstanding production efficiency. With a modern and smart design, the machine can create thousands of 1-tons per hour. The machine can divide dough into equal parts with high accuracy, helping to save time and for users. The machine can divide and roll dough at a speed of up to 2,000 pieces/hour. The machine is made from stainless steel material, ensuring food hygiene and safety. You want to make cookies but are lazy? Don't worry, there's an automatic cookie dough spreader with just a few simple steps. An appealing experience for your eyes, but also stimulate the taste buds and create a feeling of excitement for consumers. These colorful cakes are not only a food product, but also a stylish work of art. The cakes on the line are truly a work of art full of color and creativity. With a sophisticated combination of quality ingredients and advanced production technology, the AXS cake line not only captivates the taste buds, but the combination of unique flavors and beautiful shapes makes each cake special and memorable in the hearts of those who enjoy it. From bright, attractive colors to unique and sophisticated shapes, each cake on the AXS line is a unique work, demonstrating the sophistication and high quality of the production process. With the AXS cake line, you not only enjoy great flavors, but also experience a feeling of newness and excitement every time you see these colorful and attractive cakes on the production line. With the ability to create dumplings with diverse and beautiful shapes, the machine not only helps improve product quality, but also Quickly and effectively. This process not only saves time but also reduces labor and increases production efficiency. Cashews, one of the most popular and attractive snack nuts in the world. On the line, you will see cashews processed meticulously and professionally. Fresh cashews are separated from the fruit and then cleaned and dried to remove moisture. Next, they are processed with specialized equipment to remove the hard outer shell, saving the seeds inside. Looking at the production process, you will see that every step is done with care and thoroughness, from raw material selection to processing and packaging. This will definitely yield the juicy and fragrant cashews you love every time you enjoy them. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent quality.